Namaste Gurukulians. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 10, part 3, properties of triangle. In the previous lectures, we discussed about the angle sum property of triangle, exterior angle property of triangle. Now we are discussing about today sum of two sides of triangle and Pythagoras theorem in triangle. Today we are going to discuss two topics. First is sum of two sides of triangle and the another one is Pythagoras theorem. So let us discuss first topic, sum of two sides of triangle. We draw a triangle A, B, C and we add two sides. First of all, AB plus BC. After that, AB plus AC, and after that BC plus AC. Let's see. Firstly, I add this and this. Secondly, I add this and this. And thirdly, I add this and this side. You just see that, students, always when you add two sides, it is always greater than sum of two sides, always greater than the third side. AB plus BC always greater than third side AC. AB plus AC is greater than BC and BC plus AC is greater than AB. It is the property sum of two sides of triangle. And a triangle formed if these conditions satisfy. Other than triangle cannot be formed. Now after that, the another topic is Pythagoras theorem. From this property we can check that this triangle can be made or not. Now after that, Pythagoras theorem. It applies only in right triangle. Pythagoras theorem applies only in right triangle, and you all know that right triangle has one 90-degree angle and side opposite to 90-degree angle is hypotenuse and other two sides are base and perpendicular. I just write it here. Side opposite to 90-degree angle. It is hypotenuse and other base on which triangle stands and is perpendicular P. It is base B and it is hypotenuse H. Now students, now what Pythagoras theorem says? Pythagoras theorem says that Pythagoras theorem says what? Says in right triangle hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. It means the sum of the squares of perpendicular and base is equal to the square of hypotenuse. We can also say that in word language or in definition, the sum of squares of perpendicular and base, the sum of squares of perpendicular and base is equal to the square of hypotenuse. It is the definition of Pythagoras theorem. Now we will discuss some more examples or we will solve some questions based on Pythagoras theorem. So till pause the video and wait. Now students, another thing is Pythagorean triplet. You know that the Pythagoras theorem says that x square is equal to p square plus b square, where x is hypotenuse, p is perpendicular and b is base. These three things are Pythagorean triplet. We use triword triplet. It is tri means three. So these three things are Pythagorean triplet. We can say that these three things are numbers are Pythagorean triplet. Now we are going to solve some questions based on Pythagoras theorem. So first question is, we have to find the value of x, and first of all we are seeing that it is one angle is 90 degree. It means this angle is right triangle, and we know that in right triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, x square is equal to p square plus b square. Now put the values. H is x, p is 6 and b is 8. Now x square 6 square is equal to 36 and plus 8 square is equal to 64. 64 and 36, that is equal to 100 x square. Now if we remove square from this side, it becomes square root on another side. It means plus minus 10. But we consider only positive value because length is always in positive. So we consider only positive value 10 centimeter. Is it clear? But now we discuss the second question. Here we are seeing that one angle is 90 degree. It means here also it is right triangle and we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Now apply side opposite to 90 degree. It means it is hypotenuse is perpendicular and it is base and it is perpendicular. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. Here h is given 13, p is 5 and we have to find b and b is given as y. Now 13 square 169, 5 square 25 plus y square. If we move 25 to this side, it becomes negative. 169 minus 25, that is equal to y square. And if we subtract 25 from 169, that is equal to 144 is equal to y square. Now, if we remove square, it becomes square root on another side, and 144 is the square of 12. It means y is equal to 12 centimeter. So, in this way, we can find the third side with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Now we solve some more examples which are based on this topic. Now students, next the questions based on 10.2 exercise. The question number first is, which of the following measures can form a triangle? We recently discussed the topic sum of two sides of triangle. I told you that with the help of that thing we can find that a triangle can be formed or not. So let's see. In first question A part, three sides of triangle are given. You have to A, B. First is rough. You have to draw rough picture. 10 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. And sum of two sides, AB plus BC greater than AB plus BC greater than AC. After that, AB plus AC greater than BC, and last one is BC plus AC greater than AB. Now put the values bache. AB is 7. BC is 10, AC 7. It means 10 plus 17 greater than 7. It means it is right. Second, AB plus AC 7 plus 7, it is 10. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 is greater than 10. This condition also satisfied. After third one, BC is 10. AB is 7 and AC is 7 and AB is also 7. 10 plus 7, 17 also greater than 7. It means this triangle of these measures can be formed. It can be formed. After that, second question. Here you have to draw firstly rough triangle 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4.5. First of all, I am writing it AB plus AC, AB plus AC greater than BC, AB plus BC greater than AC, BC plus AC greater than AB. Now, first of all, put the values. AB is 2, AC is also 2, and it is BC is 4.5. 2 plus 2, 4, 4.5. But it means, is 4 is greater than 4.5? No. It means this condition not satisfied. It means this triangle cannot be formed. Is it clear? Now we solve some other questions. Now the next question is question number 4. You have to check whether it is right triangle or not. Now you know that right triangle is in which we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So we check that it is right triangle or not with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Now we know that in right triangle greater side is always hypotenuse. So it means we check Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to P square plus B square. H is 8 P B. b is 4, it means 4 square. 8 square 64, 36 plus 4 4 the 16. 36 and 16. Add both the terms. It means not equal. Means it is not a right triangle. Now check the second part. Here greater side is 10. It means hypotenuse, perpendicular. It is base. Now s square is equal to p square plus b square. That is 10. 10 square. P is 8. It means 8 square. And this is 6 square. 10 square 100. 8 is 64. 6 is 36. That is equal to 100. It means this condition satisfied. LHS is equal to RHS. It means hypotenuse square is equal to the square of the sum of other perpendicular and base sides, other two sides. It means it is a right triangle. Now we will solve one question, another. Now students, last question of today is length and breadth of rectangle is 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. But first of all you have to read the statement with full of concentration, that here it is right respectively. Respectively means if first letter length, then first is length, second is breadth, then second is breadth. Now solution of this: draw a rectangle whose length is 8 cm and breadth is 6 cm. Name the points, and we have to find the length of diagonal that we write it as. And you know that rectangle has 90-degree angle. Here triangle BCD is a right triangle. So here in this triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, side opposite to 90-degree means hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Here hypotenuse is BD square and perpendicular is BC, that is BC square, and the base is DC. It means it is BC square. Now put the values of these things. BD is equal to x, it means x square. BC is equal to 6, put the value 6 square plus DC is given as 8 square. It means x square is equal to 6 square 36, 8 square 64, and if we add both the terms 64 plus 36, that is equal to 100, and x is equal to square root 100, it means 10. X is equal to 10 centimeter, diagonal is 10 centimeter. And if we apply this Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ABD, so again base is 8 cm and perpendicular is 6 cm. So from this another diagonal also of 10 cm. So this is all about today. Now you can solve the 10.2 questions of 10.2 exercise smoothly. If you face any query, then you can ask in Google Meet class or in WhatsApp groups. Till, thank you very much.